I recently talked to a top salesperson, #1 in the company, and they shared one secret with me that was really valuable. I'll share it with you in this video. So what did I hear when I talked to this top salesperson who blew out their numbers last year and was the top salesperson in the company? Well, they talked to me about a past job that they had had at another company and how they realized after a short time that that was not going to be the job for them, and they left. That shows a lot of confidence to decide that a job isn't for you and to leave it and go seek out another job. But isn't that one of the values of being a great salesperson? Your work is portable. You can take it with you to another company and succeed there. But what was the reason why this salesperson chose to leave that last job? You might be thinking, bad manager, didn't like the product, couldn't get along with team members. No, it was none of that. It was this. When they reached out to potential customers, they found that customers were not buying what the company was selling at that point in time. I want you to think about that for a moment, because there are times when companies go through purchasing cycles. For example, companies tend to buy new laptops for their employees about every 3 years. That has been my experience. So if you're trying to sell laptops to a company off cycle, you're probably not going to get too far. You could sell them a few to new employees that come on board. But in terms of a major purchase, a total across the board new investment, it's going to be hard, right? What if you're selling fleet vehicles to companies? Same thing. They go through purchasing cycles. Or what about at a certain time in the economy? Right now, as I record this video, mortgage rates have risen quite a bit since the last 12 to 24 months, where they were quite low. So if you are representing a company that is a home loan lender that also does refinancing, you might find that now is not such a good time as the bonanza years of a few years ago, right? Refinancing has just about dried up. So as a salesperson, this person that I talked to, they represented huge confidence and insight to where they didn't just feel like, well, I'm so good, I can sell to anyone, anywhere, in any economy. No, they know the phrase, the trend is your friend. And when the trend is your friend, you can make sales easier. You can make your number easier. You can exceed your number easier. So why fight what may be external circumstances that affect your ability to sell successfully? Be able to read the market and know whether the trend is your friend is going to help you to be successful, or if you're going to do lots and lots of hard work for perhaps meager results. So I hope this secret that I discovered in this conversation last week helps you to evaluate whether you're in the right job at the right time, selling to the right people, or if you might want to take your portable skills somewhere else. This video is brought to you by my new online sales training program. If you like what you've learned through this video and this channel, you'll really like the course, because I go into comprehensive detail about what makes the difference between being a successful newer salesperson out of the gate and one that could struggle for years. Literally, it could make that much of a difference in your life. Consider investing in that program to accelerate your success. If this video has been helpful to you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, comment on it, and share it with others. If you'd like to learn more about my sales training and coaching solutions, visit my website, buildandbalance.com. And lastly, I welcome email from viewers. If you have questions about sales, please email me and I may make a video in the future answering your question to help all subscribers. Thank you very much.